It's Nick, and we're making a Cajun spatchcock chicken. Spatchcock the chicken by cutting out the spine and then cracking the breastbone to make it flat. Good quality kitchen scissors or poultry shears should work. I usually cut on the left side of the spine first, then the right, and it's easier as a right-hander. I did it opposite this time, it still worked, I don't know why. It's pretty easy to crack the chicken breastbone. Just use the palm on your hand and press down on the middle of the breast to go through it. Spread a little bit of vegetable oil on the chicken skin, and then season it generously with Cajun seasoning. If your Cajun seasoning doesn't have salt, make sure to season it with salt too. Lots of salt. We want all that flavor. And then go ahead and rub the seasoning into the oil. Grab a foil-lined baking sheet with a rack over it, and put the chicken on the rack breast side up. Tuck the chicken wings under the breast, and then make sure that the legs are facing out. Roast for about 50 minutes at 450 degrees, and cook until the breast reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, that's a pretty good looking roast chicken. Let it rest, then carve it up and serve. For this recipe, I served the chicken with Cajun rice and beans. It was a big hit. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.